I just had a great day. It started with a photo shoot in freezing weather, and I didn't get to bundle up because obviously I'm in, just dress attire. So it was cold, but it was invigorating, and it was really exciting because I was in beautiful downtown Meredith and with an awesome photographer, Sarah Chase. I highly recommend that you look her up because she does fantastic work. And I'm not just saying that because I think my results are really good from the shoot, but I've obviously been to her site and seen what else she's done, and yeah, like I said, check it out. It's good stuff. And so after the photo shoot wrapped up, I did a quick telephone booth Superman change and got into my attire for an audition down in Boston, so I hot-footed it down there. Now I'm hot-footing it back home, even though I can't really hot-foot it because it's rush hour traffic, and then guess what? I get to go to Rhode Island tomorrow evening, and then I'm probably going to go back on Sunday. So, yeah, in between the back and forth and all of that, it's no wonder I'm moving. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, cool. So, thanks for watching, and catch you later. Ciao.